Hey everyone, Cameron here from the NOVONIX UHPC team. In this video, I'll walk you through how to check for software updates in UHPC Control, understand the difference between suspending and stopping a test, safely stop an active test and then update the software, verify the update, and resume your test from a saved snapshot. Let's get started. Step 1 is checking for updates. If a new version is available, you'll see it in the Help tab and also see a green Download Update button in the top right-hand corner. If you don't have internet access, you can download the installer from the NOVONIX website, copy it to a USB drive, and install it directly on the UHPC computer. Before installing, let's clarify suspend versus stop. If you suspend a test, then close UHPC Control, it will reopen paused until you manually resume after restarting from snapshots. If you stop a test, then later reload from snapshots, the test will automatically continue from the exact point it left off. In this demo, I'll stop the test to end the process. Here I'm stopping one channel, but if you have multiple channels running, you can stop them all at once using batch control in the bottom right-hand corner. After clicking the green Download Update button and entering my company details, the download begins. A pop-up appears with two reminders. You can show the file in the folder and must close UHPC Control before installing. I select Show in Folder to view the MSI file, then fully close UHPC Control. Be sure it isn't running in the background. I double-clicked the installer and followed the Windows prompts. Some companies require admin rights to install software, so check with your IT team if needed. After installation, I open the included release notes PDF. These outline new features, improvements, and bug fixes. If you're updating from an older version, it's worth reviewing since we're constantly improving based on customer feedback. When I reopen UHPC Control, a pop-up asks if I'd like to restart the channels that were previously running. If I click OK, the tests will reload immediately. This time I'll click No so I can show you how to restart from snapshots manually. I click Restart from Previous Channel Snapshot button. UHPC Control saves snapshots continuously, about once per second. This means your test can resume almost exactly where it left off, even after a power outage. Many clients love this feature because it prevents data loss. In the snapshot window, you'll see options to continue writing to the existing data file, overwrite the data file, or create a new data file. Usually, continuing with the existing data file is best. If you don't see your test, check Show Snapshots for idle channels. This is useful if you stopped multiple tests individually instead of using batch control. Right-clicking a snapshot also lets you switch channels, change the data file, or load a different protocol. For this demo, I'll load the snapshot as is. Since I didn't suspend the test before stopping, the test resumes automatically. You'll notice the test is discharging, the exact step it was on before. Aside from a small voltage drop while current wasn't applied, all data remains continuous and intact. Finally, I return to Check for Updates. The green button is gone because I'm now on the latest version. When another update is available, the green button will reappear. And that's it. We checked for updates, stopped the test, installed the update, reviewed the release notes, and resumed our test from a previous saved snapshot. To recap, suspend if you want the test to reopen paused, stop if you want them to resume automatically, always close UHPC Control software before installing updates, and check the release notes to see what's new. Thanks for watching and happy testing.